In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional portfolio in Wix 2026 guide. A strong portfolio is the heart of your online presence, so we'll build one using Wix's built-in portfolio tool. Start in the Wix editor and open the search panel. Type portfolio, then choose the option that says showcase your work in a beautiful portfolio. Click add to site, and Wix will place a ready-to-customize portfolio section on your current page. This gives you a clean foundation to present projects in a modern, responsive gallery without designing from scratch. Next, let's organize your projects. Click the portfolio section and select Manage Projects. You'll see sample categories and an option to let AI help, but choose Setup without AI to keep full manual control. Click Add Project and fill in your project title and key details so visitors can quickly understand what they're viewing. Use the visibility toggles to decide exactly what appears on the project page, such as the cover image, categories, and any extra info. Then refine the descriptions, tags, and links so your work is easy to find and easy to understand. Clear, consistent categories and concise tags help visitors filter projects and help search engines understand your content. Now add your visuals. Click Add Media to upload images or videos that best represent your work. Use high-quality files, but compress them beforehand so pages load quickly on all devices. Slow media hurts both user experience and discoverability, so aim for the smallest file size that still looks sharp. Keep aspect ratios consistent and choose a strong cover image for each project. When everything looks good, click Done to save the project. Back in the editor, fine-tune the layout. Open the layout controls for the portfolio section and enable stretch so the gallery spans the full width of the screen. Adjust spacing and alignment to create a clean, even grid. That breathing room helps Wix optimize the gallery for mobile automatically. For accessibility and SEO, write short, consistent titles and add meaningful alt text to every image. Alt text should briefly describe what's in the image and why it matters to the project. When you're happy with how the portfolio looks on both desktop and mobile, click Publish in the top corner. Your professional portfolio is now live, organized, and ready to impress, and that's it. You've successfully added a portfolio, organized your projects, and uploaded your media.